Hey, it's Doug with another 1 minute video. Hey, you've seen these valves throughout your house, but how many of these valves do you think you actually have? 6, 7, 8? Well, guess again. A standard two-bedroom house in Trilogy has probably 13 shutoff valves of this style, and probably another 6 or 7 of other types of water valves. These valves are incredibly useful, but once we open them, we pretty much forget them. That is, until they're needed again, like when you have a faucet leak or a real emergency like a broken pipe or hose. Because most of these valves are left open all the time, they're subject to accumulation of mineral deposits, which can cause them to seize. This can turn a small job into a big job right from the start. The purpose of this video is not to show you how to replace one, but to have you add the task of exercising them to your annual maintenance plan. To prevent them from seizing, all water valves should be operated at least once per year if you have a water softener and twice per year if you don't. Especially these multi-turn stop valves. They're notorious for sticking in place. If you find a valve stuck, YouTube's filled with repair videos on how to get them free and operating again, with things like WD-40, hair dryers, small taps with light hammers. So if you find you have one that's stuck, you can find some help online. And if you're going to try a repair yourself, it's a good idea to shut off the house water supply before trying to bully a valve into submission. Otherwise, you may find yourself dealing with a gusher if the valve cracks or a pipe breaks. Some houses have nothing but multi-turn valves, while some have all quarter-turn valves. My house was built with a mix of both, so check them all to be sure. And if you need a replacement valve, spend the extra $3 and get a quarter-turn ball valve style. They're much better designed and much more reliable. Well, I hope you liked this video. Feel free to subscribe to my House Talk video channel, and don't forget to hit the like button.